Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Beldex wallet address. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To find Beldex wallet address using your mobile device is easy. Open up your Beldex application right from your mobile device and enter your PIN that you've set. Now once you're logged into your main account, tap on the receive button appearing at the bottom right and you'll be able to see your wallet address along with the QR code. If you want to receive funds on your wallet, you'll need to share this wallet address to the person that you are trying to receive the funds from. You can also share the QR code and they'll be able to scan your QR code and send you the funds that you are trying to receive. Remember that you must send the correct wallet address if you don't want the fund to go to a wrong address. That is how you'll be able to find your Beldex wallet address right from your Beldex application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.